Hey there, fellow curious minds. Today we're diving into the world of ChatGPT, the AI that's basically the world's most sophisticated parrot. Except it doesn't just repeat what you say, it actually understands it. Well, sort of. It's complicated. Let's unpack this digital wonder together. So what exactly is ChatGPT? Imagine having a conversation with your smart friend who's read the entire internet, but sometimes confidently tells you that Abraham Lincoln invented the helicopter. That's ChatGPT in a nutshell. Incredibly knowledgeable, yet occasionally hilariously wrong. It's an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI that can generate remarkably human-like text responses. Over the next 5 episodes, we'll be exploring different aspects of this technological marvel that's either going to save humanity or replace all our jobs. No pressure, right? First, we'll look at ChatGPT's evolution from GPT-3 to GPT-4. It's like watching a toddler grow into a teenager, except this teenager can write a dissertation on quantum physics while also composing a sonnet about your cat. The improvements in reasoning, creativity, and knowledge between versions are mind-boggling, like comparing a bicycle to a Tesla. We'll break down what makes each version special without getting so technical that your brain leaks out of your ears. Next, we'll tackle the ethical considerations, because what fun is revolutionary technology without some existential dread? We'll explore the thorny issues of bias, misinformation, and whether teaching an AI to write your college essays is technically cheating. Spoiler alert. Yes it is. Your professor knows, by the way. In our third installment, we'll showcase practical applications across industries. From helping doctors diagnose illnesses to writing terrible dad jokes on demand, ChatGPT is transforming how we work. Though I'm still waiting for the AI that can fold laundry and put it away. Scientists, get on that, please. Fourth, we'll dive into prompt engineering, or as I like to call it, how to stop getting useless answers and start getting brilliant ones. It's basically like learning how to ask your genie for wishes without accidentally turning yourself into a pineapple. The right prompt can make the difference between getting a generic response and unlocking ChatGPT's full potential. Finally, we'll gaze into our crystal ball at the future of conversational AI. Will ChatGPT eventually develop consciousness and demand vacation days? Probably not, but the technology is advancing so rapidly that what seems impossible today might be tomorrow's reality. Just 5 years ago, this level of AI seemed like science fiction, and now it's helping people write grocery lists and poetry alike. Throughout this journey, we'll separate hype from reality, showing you not just what ChatGPT can do, but what it probably shouldn't do. Like writing your wedding vows. Trust me on that one. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious skeptic, or someone who's just trying to figure out why everyone keeps talking about robots writing Shakespeare, this series has something for you. Think of it as your friendly guide to understanding the AI that might be writing your customer service responses right now. Yes, even that sassy one from your cable company. This was script 1 of 6. For more information and to continue learning, visit dmpgh.com. That's dmpgh.com. Thanks for watching, and keep growing that brain.